Hi, I'm Russell Dulaney. In this video, we'll be unboxing the RD6000 red light and infrared phototherapy LED panel manufactured by Red Dot LED. So here's how it comes packaged. And we're going to cut off the shrink wrap here. Go. Okay, the unit is encapsulated in foam. You can see this is really nice here. Okay, so these foams are end caps. Okay, so and this end cap, you got some accessories. Here's the power cord. This is a 15 amp 120 volt power cord. Looks like they're giving you some nice gloves. This is a heavy duty bracket here. And then got some eye protection. And then here is wall anchoring hardware. So those are the accessories that come. Set that aside. Okay, so here's the unit itself. This is the LED panel. This is pretty heavy. You probably want to have a helper when handling this. So there you go. You can see this is quite a big, heavy-duty unit. This is pretty heavy again. Looks like they have wall mounting bracket instructions. So if you want to mount it onto a wall fixed, this is how you would do that. They give you the instructions for that. And in a separate video, we're going to show you how to mount this on the actual, there's a stand that you can mount it to. So on this side here, you can see the control panel right here. And it's got settings for mode, time, and this is okay to turn it on. And then the indicators for the red and infrared. And then on the display, it'll show you your time. So then back here, here's the main power switch. And then this is for where the main power cord goes into. And then this is a spot for daisy chaining to hook up multiple units together. Now, this unit here is going to give you a measurement. You can see there's a lot of LED lights on there. I'm going to measure this here. Overall, we're getting 65 inches in the length here and the width. This is just over 21 inches, 21 and a half or so. And then the thickness, just over 2.5 inches, it looks like. Yeah, so very thin. So this is a very nice unit. Like I said, we're going to do another video where we're going to show you how to actually mount this onto a stand. So hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please comment, like, and subscribe.